Hey guys, it's Camille from Robostore. Today I have with me a new G1 Basic running the new firmware 1.4.5 that came out in mid-November of 2025. After starting your Unitree G1, you'll head over to the Unitree Explore app. From there, you'll hit Function, Demo Teaching, and Create Teaching. From this screen, you'll press Start Teaching, which will loosen the hands up, giving you the ability to pre-program any type of movement on the G1. When you're done, press End Teaching. Wait for the screen to load. Save the current teaching action, and it'll show up at the top of the screen. When you press play and confirm, the robot will go through with the action that you just trained it to do. A quick note, in the current software version of the G1, in training mode, you can train up to 3 minutes of custom actions. That's a basic demo of the teaching mode on the new G1 Basic. For more information, head over to robostore.com.